Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the alternator on this 2007 Chrysler Pacifica with the 4.0 V6. If this video is helpful, you smash that thumbs up button and comment below. It'd be really helpful. First thing we're going to do is pop our hood. Now that we're under the hood here, we need to remove this plastic cover. It has four little balls underneath here that snap on like this. You can see there. So let's set that off to the side. And then now we need to unhook our positive battery cable. Alright, next thing we need to do is unclip the plugs here on the alternator. So you have to pull that red clip out, and then you can push this little tab in right here and it slides off. And then squeeze those two tabs, take that off, and then take that nut off and unhook that wire. Alright, now we need to take our belt off, and to do that you'll have to unspring the tensioner here. So there's a nut right there, it's a 16 millimeter. You'll either need to put a wrench or a ratchet on it, and you're going to torque it up towards yourself, and that will loosen it and you'll be able to get the belt off. So this is, be careful not to pinch your fingers here, because that is quite tight, but just make sure you're using two hands and you always have a solid grip on everything and nothing slips. Alright, the last thing we need to do here is remove these two 15 millimeter bolts, that one right there and that one right there. I'm going to have Amazon links in the description below where you can get a new alternator and some other stuff you might need. Feel free to check those out. Alright, now you ought to be able to lift this out, probably with two hands. You might have to kind of pry in here a little bit to get it to pop out of this slot here. It can be a little tight there, but just keep wiggling and pulling and it'll come out. I did unhook this right here, so I had a little bit more room. You can do that too if you want. But at this point, just pull it out, put your new one back in, and reassemble in reverse order. So if this video is helpful, you smash that thumbs up button, comment below. Really helps me out a lot.